Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today I'm going to share with you all my personal favorite recipe to get straight hair permanently and naturally at home. This is very simple and the ingredients might be already in your home. Let's jump straight into the video. You will need coconut milk. It can be store-bought or homemade. It really doesn't matter. And then you will need plain flour, half a lemon, coconut oil, and last but not least, take some aluminium foil and cut it into sheets as shown in the video. Aluminium sheets are really important and I will tell you why later in this video. You will need around 5 to 6 aluminium sheets. It really depends upon the thickness of your hair. Now, take a clean bowl and pour half a cup of coconut milk into it. Now, add half a lemon into it and mix well. Add 3 teaspoons of plain flour and again mix well without any lumps. The consistency of the mixture will start thickening. Now add a teaspoon of coconut oil into it and again mix everything very well. Yes, now it's ready to use. Let me show you guys how to apply this onto your hair. Here you can see that my hair is not curly or straight, but it is frizzy and wavy. Comb your hair and make sure there are no tangles. Now, section your hair according to your convenience or as shown in the video. Apply the mixture, preferably using a brush, section by section as shown in the video. After applying, comb your hair so that the mixture spreads evenly. You will instantly feel your hair getting smoother and softer. Now, take the aluminium foil and wrap your hair in it as shown in the video. It's very important to do this step. Aluminium foil will naturally help to heat up the product and will penetrate deep into your hair, and it will also help make your hair straight and shiny. When used regularly for a month, it will make your hair straight permanently. Lemon juice helps straighten your hair. In combination with coconut milk and plain flour, it conditions your hair while giving your scalp a vitamin C boost. This hair mask will leave your hair feeling silky and soft, and you will notice that your hair is smoother right after the first treatment itself. The proteins in coconut milk help fortify the shafts of your hair, controlling frizz and making your hair appear straight. If you do this treatment 2 to 3 times a week, your hair will be more smooth and become straight permanently. If your hair is wavy like mine, then you will see instant results. Your hair will become straight in just one use itself, but if it's curly, then it might take some time as it doesn't contain any chemicals or anything. Remember that this is completely natural, so you should have patience. But yes, it works 100%. So after applying the whole mixture onto your hair, wait a minimum of 1 hour before washing it off with or without shampoo. It's up to you guys, but don't forget to use the conditioner after washing your hair. Here, I just washed my hair after waiting for 1 hour. It's still wet, but you can see that my hair has already become silky straight. Now, I'm going to let it air dry. So now it's completely dry. You can see how straight it has become in just one use. Not only straight, but it has made my hair less frizzy and silky smooth. But have patience if you have extremely curly hair, and continue using it for a month 2 to 3 times a week to see the results. So that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.